Birds fly, but not because of gravity. In fact, most birds don't believe in it. For years, scientists assumed that birds obeyed gravity like the rest of us, but recent findings suggest that birds actively reject it. No! For years, scientists have claimed that birds evolved from dinosaurs, but that's impossible because dinosaurs are extinct and birds are right here. Here we can clearly see this bird refusing to fall. The defiance is unmistakable.
When we asked birds about gravity, most refused to comment. One pigeon just walked away. A crow laughed at us, which was unsettling.
Instead of falling, birds use the phenomenon called wing thrust. It's the innate belief that if you flap hard enough, the earth can't hurt you. Maybe birds aren't defying physics. Maybe birds just like to play by their own rules. Or maybe gravity is a suggestion, and birds are really good at ignoring suggestions. When birds do come down, it's because they chose to, not because of gravity. It's like when you sit down, but in reverse.